Okay, so I am a little undecided on this piece. I'm not sure if I want the big tall silver crackling vase on the bottom and the slate blue plate in the middle. I'm thinking I should probably look for a larger size plate so that it's not hidden, so you can see the cobalt blue. And then as well, okay, so this is removable. This, it's hiding that center little design. So I'm not 100% sure if I want to put that and hide it. And then I was thinking of putting this, but it would make it so much smaller. See on the bottom, then it would make it much shorter. Or should I just leave it as is? What do you think? Let me know in the comments.